If you're struggling with reaching your dream customers, this video will explain the first and critical step on how to find them. More importantly, how to find those who are looking exactly for your products. The first step you'll have to take is to change your mindset from being too preoccupied by your own products to get much more concerned with your customers' needs or problems, also called client's pain. So then, why is customers' pain points so important? Why do your products have to address your customers' pain points in order for your company to be profit-making? Well, the answer is the same as the answer to the question, why does anybody buy anything? People typically spend money on two things. Firstly, to combat pain, and secondly, to achieve pleasure. Hence, if you don't understand your customer's pain and when it occurs, how are they going to get their problems solved? Therefore, you genuinely need to care about their problems and urge to help them. And you really need to do so with passion. So, to be able to understand your customer's pain, you'll need to put yourself in your customer's situation to determine what they are struggling with in their daily life. Effective methods to discover your customers' pain points is finding out what they are talking about on social media and discover what they are reading and thereby discover their needs and problems that they want to solve. In this video, however, I will now focus on one method, which is how to determine your potential customers' pain points using a few why questions. One approach is to ask a few of your current customers why questions concerning overall issues the customers need to solve and really listen to them. If you don't have a customer available, you can visualize some potential customers, ask the same questions, and metaphorically express their responses. This last approach may not give concrete insight, but it's better than assuming. The purpose with both approaches is to pull out the pain points associated with your customers' issues, which they need to solve. And to illustrate this, I'll give you an example where your customer is a sales manager. The customer's overall issue that needs to be solved is that the company can't obtain a high Google position. Have a look at the conversation and notice how the why questions follow up the customer's answers. You start by asking the customer, why do you want a high Google position? The customer says, to be found by potential customers. Then you ask, why do you want to be found by potential customers? And the response is, to increase our sales and profits. You follow up by asking, why do you want to increase your sales and profits? And the answer goes, because we want to increase our market shares and become market leader. Why do you want to increase your market shares and become market leader? And the answer goes, so that I'll be able to work less and spend more time with family and friends. And lastly, you ask, why do you want to work less and spend more time with family and friends? And the answer goes, because I want to have more time for truly meaningful things in life and know that my company is providing something meaningful and beneficial to its customers. In this conversation, the pain points discovered are the following. The main issue is obtaining a high Google position. The main needs are to be found by potential customers and to increase the sales and profits. And then the desired outcome is to increase the market shares, to become market leader, to work less and spend more time with family and friends. And lastly, the true pain points are to have time for meaningful things in life, knowing that the company is providing something meaningful and beneficial to its customers. Another important approach to determine your customers' pain points is to find out what they are searching for on the internet. Very effective and cheap ways to discover this is the topic for our next video. If you would like more help with reaching your dream customers, you can go to our website www howtoincreasemarketshares.com.